Sagittarius, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a reading for your November, okay? And for all you November born Sagittarius, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday, have a wonderful year ahead. And for all of you viewers, I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Diwali will fall in the first week of November, so I hope you enjoy it to the fullest with all your loved ones and have a blast, okay? Remember, this is a general read, so take what resonates and leave what does not for somebody else. Also, I'll take a moment to thank each and every one of you for all your love and support that you've shown to the channel. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it on social media. You'll be doing me a great favor when you do that. Thank you so much. This is for the sun, moon, rising sign of Sagittarius. So remember to watch all your sun, moon, rising sign videos to get a clearer and a complete picture about the energies that are playing out for you, okay? And as I said, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave what does not for somebody else. Also, I'll be very happy to do your personal reading in case you're interested. You will find all my contact details in the description box below the video. Also, you'll find a link there to my website, okay? Do visit my website. Let me know what you feel about my mission in life. And you'll also find links to my social media, my Facebook and Instagram accounts there, where I post inspirational and motivational quotes each and every day. Do join me there and subscribe, okay? Thank you so much. All right. All right. One last card before we start your reading. We'll take this at the end. Good. We are ready to roll. Sagittarius. November reading for you. You've drawn new moon in Aries and it says take time, it's time for action. Okay, so what is it that we've seen in your past couple of weeks readings that there is an important decision that you had to make or you have to make, and it is causing you a lot of turmoil because it was about doing what is best for you and for all the people concerned. And that I understand because the energy is flowing into your reading today is about it's time to take action, because you cannot procrastinate it anymore. You cannot push it away anymore. It is time for taking that decision. It is time for actually saying the things that you need to say, convey the things that you need to do, and for this decision making time that it is no longer the time to push it to the corner under the carpet. It is about owning up. It is about taking the bull by the horns, okay, and facing it. Right? That is the energy that I get from these cards. Let's see what your cards are saying. Yes, it is about yin energy. Beautiful. Now, it's very interesting because this call, it's time to take action, which is the divine masculine energy. Okay, so it is about taking charge, moving ahead, going about things, go-getting energy. And you've drawn a yin energy, which is the divine feminine energy. Now, there are two messages now I get for you. One is to have to be in this receiving energy. Divine feminine energy is about nurturing, is about receiving. It is about cultivating. It is about love, okay? And this is very interesting because you are being asked, because you've been procrastinating so much and being in that worrying energy. It's about taking action and then allowing that result to come to you. That is the first thing, okay? First message. And the second message is to balance, get into a balance of the divine masculine and divine feminine energy. By that, I mean you should know when to go forward and take action and then step back and wait for the result, okay? And that's a Yes, that's asking a lot, because it seems to be a turbulent time. It seems to be a very challenging decision that you're making, where you are you're stating what you are wanting to do with your life, that decision, and you're conveying it, and then you're waiting to see how it will be received. That is the kind of message I get. But I'm so happy to find this card for you, Sagittarius. It says happy, happy. Once you balance this, once you get that balance right, where you convey what you have to convey, the decision that you've taken, once you convey that in a very firm but gentle manner, okay, and then you wait for the other person or the other people to reciprocate, it is going to turn out to be a happy, happy situation for all you, which is win-win for all. And I remember in your last reading, you did get this win-win card. Beautiful. I love it for you, Sagittarius, because for a moment here I was worried for you that whether how this energy is, because it is a balance, and maintaining a balance or creating a balance is never easy for any of us, because we either tend to be too much in the do go energy, or in a relaxing waiting for it to happen energy. But to balance it is difficult, and you are being asked to do that. But once you do that, don't you worry, Sagittarius, you will have a good output. I love it for you. And you've drawn the card of aspiration, which is the number 1 card, which is about a new beginning. Once you take this step, say what you have to say, convey your decision, and then you take that one step back and wait for their response, the new beginning is going to bring you a lot of happiness, because it says you are unlimited, so aim for the stars. And that means that this new beginning is going to be, you've thought about it a lot and you've worried about it a lot, but there will, miraculously you'll find a middle path which is happy for all concerned, for you as well as the other people involved in that situation. And that is a new beginning, so you can aspire for a new beginning which is happy for all. Beautiful, Sagittarius. Yes, you've drawn the card of Angel of Balance, and it is perfect with what the energy that I was picking up for you. It is about this balance that you need to master a little. Okay, so it is tough, it is challenging, but it is not impossible. As your unicorn card tells, it is not impossible. There is an unlimited potential here, just that you need to be very balanced when you are approaching this situation, and you can do it, because there is that happy card for you. I love this for you, Sagittarius. You've drawn Healer of the Ages card, who is about healing the situation. Okay, he brings a lot of wisdom, and this is the Hierophant card. This is about traditions. This is about spiritual knowledge. This is about wisdom and using that wisdom in life. And with these two cards, powerful, and they are both major arcanas, okay, and this talks about you being able to create this balance to heal that situation. I love it for you. And this is a traditional, for some of you I get this message, it is concerning your marriage, it is concerning a traditional institution, so that is the reason I'm saying it is marriage. For some of you I am even seeing that you want to dedicate your life to service of the divine. Okay, it could be for a church, it could be for a temple, it could be for some spiritual work, and that decision has been on your mind for a long time, and you're worried about how people will take it. But trust me, it will work out for the best. And for the others of you, I do see a few of you, this is regarding a traditional institution like marriage, okay, or getting into marriage or getting out of marriage, and you are worried about how it will be taken. No matter which applies to you, it will work out for the best. You just need to be careful about that balance. You have all it takes to heal this situation. Let's look at what the angels have to say to you. If there is any additional message from them, look for a sign. Beautiful. So you are going to be divinely guided in this challenging and a very crucial point in your life. Look for a sign. Okay, you may see some numbers, repetitive numbers. You may see some synchronicities. You may see some song playing all the time, and which catches your attention, and there will be some line or some lyrics which are actually a sign from the universe, the God that is trying to communicate with you. Sagittarius, a heavy reading, a deep reading for you, but I have no doubts that you will come out of this. You will be able to have this balance to bring out your decision in front of the world. I love it for you. Remember this card before you go. This is the happy card. Okay, Sagittarius, I wish and pray that this energy of you finding the balance and coming out of this heavy energy soon. That is my prayer for you. I leave you with this prayer, and I wish all the November born Sagittarius a very happy birthday, and to all of you a very happy Diwali once more. Remember to like this video, share it on your social media, and definitely subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon, Sagittarius. Namaste.